Good morning, viewers all over the world. In summary of today's teaching, what you must do to make your departed relative rest in peace. 1. Pay attention to details advice given by your departed relative when he or she was alive. If the person gave instruction how he or she will be buried, make sure you abide by it. 2. If the person have a sharing formula, make sure you abide by it. Sometimes because of greediness, people normally will share or turn upside down the person's wish. Remember, the person has the right, as it pleases him or her, what will give him happiness. Make sure you stick by it. 3. If the person always appear in dreams or in alpha complaining that he's feeling hungry, make sure you feed the person the way we feed the achi onowa. You get why? Make sure if the person you offended, your relative, you have issues, unpardonable issues before he or she passed on, use egg and cola to go to a person's grave to ask for restitution, ask for forgiveness, ask for reparation. Do this now. You get why? Use the process as I advise you how to use egg for appeasement and cola. Go there. Why? If we are departed, they have a relative of yours, your mom, your mother, your father, that you of you are not aligning, especially some of you that normally beat their aged parents. Do you know that some people normally beat their aged parents up? If you have done that, go now that your relative is still alive and plead for forgiveness. You get why? Some of this cause you are attracted to yourself as a result of committing this painful act against your relatives will hurt you for life. It might be a reason why you are running from one pillar to other, one spiritualist to another. But believe in me, if you do these simple things I ask you to do, you have done a lot and remove a lot of burden on your spiritual part. If you have any question to this lecture or need to talk about our family, send a message in our WhatsApp 0805 7837672. I repeat, 0805 7837672. In the name of the Most High, may you be blessed, may you be protected, may you be favored beyond human imagination. As I speak, so shall it be. Like I say.